I bought these 6-inch slim panel LED recessed lights off of Amazon to replace some can lights that were not doing really good in our home. They come like this. There was 6 of them. This is one of them uninstalled. And then they have this little transformer that you have to plug into it. You can select different colors from like 2700K all the way up to like 5000K, I believe. And there's some templates and some extra pieces, but there was 6 of them and I installed 5 and they look great. We put them on the daylight color and all of these were can lights. They already had the holes cut out. These fit perfect inside that hole. Really easy to pop in and pop out too with just their little springs. Tons of light compared to the can lights we had. I really like them. I definitely think you will too. And I hope all this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.